So bali ang distance po yan guys is 8 to 9 meters. Ayan. What shout out guys?
So, what shout out? What shout out? Shout out pala, shout out.
Now, gusto kong i-testing uli ngayon yung ating Airsoft. Ito naman ating M1911. Yan, single shot lang yan guys. So guys, ito yung ating G series, yung G clock. Pwede siya sa single shot at mayroon siyang automatic. Una nating iti-testing uli is yung 1911. And guys, so for the age 18 or older, so ayan guys, M1911 is weighing 1,140 grams and yung length na is 185. Guys, nag-set up tayo ng ating shooting, ano doon, ang tawag dito, shooting fire range. So ayan, tingnan natin at siguro ano to, 9 meters pero shooting fire range natin. Ayan guys. So guys, una natin i-try itong 1911. And guys, ito full metal. Ayan guys, lagyan natin muna ng green gas. Ayan guys, loaded na rin siya. Ayan. And sunod guys, ito yung E-series, yung G-clock. Ayan. Full metal. Meron siyang single, saka automatic. So, subukan muna natin sa single. Ito yung magazine niya. Ayan. Lagyan ulit natin ng green gas. Single. Automatic. So ayan guys, yan yung ating target fire range, shooting target fire range, and yan, marami din pumasok and may ilan na nasa labas. Ayan, so bali ang distance po yan guys is 8 to 9 meters. Ayan. And guys, so yan na muna ang ating vlog for today. And maraming salamat uli. And catch you later.